Safety audits and site safety inspections are crucial components of an effective occupational health and safety program. These processes help ensure that workplaces comply with relevant safety regulations and standards, identify potential hazards, and implement corrective measures to prevent accidents and injuries. In this training session, I'll make a quick overview of safety audits and site safety inspections. But the main focus is how to measure the effectiveness of site safety inspections and HSE audits. Let us have a look what is a safety audit. A safety audit is a systematic, independent and documented process for obtaining evidence and evaluating it objectively to determine the extent to which safety criteria are being met. Safety audits are comprehensive evaluations of an organization's safety management systems and procedures. They aim to ensure compliance with regulatory requirements, identify areas for improvement, and enhance overall safety performance. This is a short and quick understanding of safety audits. Now, let us understand how to define site safety inspection. A safety inspection is a process of examining a workplace to identify potential hazards and ensure that safety regulations and standards are being followed. Safety inspections are typically less comprehensive than safety audits and focus on specific aspects of workplace safety, such as the condition of plants and equipment, housekeeping practices, and the use of personal protective equipment, PPE, etc. After understanding what is a safety audit, what do you understand by site safety inspection? Let us understand now how to ensure the effectiveness of site safety inspection or an audit. But before going in depth, I would like to memorize you that you are on the platform of Safety First Life. If you are visiting for the first time, kindly subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for all future notifications. And if you find the video informative, then like, comment and share it with your friends and colleagues. Dear friends and fellows, safety audits and safety inspections are carried out to keep the workplace safer. But if there are still incidents and accidents after inspections and audits, it means there is some gap, or in other words, safety inspections and audits are not effective. So, how we can make it effective? I'll highlight few important points. Point number 1, establish clear objectives. To ensure the effectiveness of safety inspections and audits, it is crucial to establish clear objectives from the outset. Defining specific goals helps focus the process on critical safety issues and ensures that all necessary aspects are evaluated. Objectives might include ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements, identifying potential hazards, evaluating the effectiveness of current safety measures, and improving overall safety performance. Clear objectives provide direction and enable the audit team to prioritize areas that pose the greatest or significant risk. So the most important number 1 point is, if you like to make inspections and audit effective, you have to establish clear objectives. Point number 2, develop comprehensive checklists. Creating comprehensive checklists is essential for ensuring thorough and consistent inspections and audits. These checklists should be based on regulatory requirements, industry standards, and best practices. They should cover all essential safety aspects, including equipment safety, emergency procedures, PPE usage, housekeeping, and training records. Comprehensive checklists act as a guide for inspectors, safety officers, HSE practitioners, and auditors, ensuring that no critical area is overlooked, neglected, and helping a systematically document findings and observations. A key point: develop comprehensive checklist if you like to make your inspections and safety audits effective and beneficial. Point number 3: select qualified personnel. Selecting qualified personnel is critical for conducting effective safety inspections and audits. Safety inspectors and auditors should possess the necessary expertise, training, and experience to accurately identify hazards and evaluate safety systems. Qualified and competent personnel bring credibility to the process and can provide reliable recommendations. They should have a deep understanding of safety regulations and best practices, as well as practical experience in the specific industry or type of work environment being audited. Clear objectives, comprehensive checklists, and competent staff. Until now, we have discussed 3 key points: how we can make the safety inspections and audits effective and meaningful. Point number 4: ensure independence and objectivity. Dear friends and fellows, to avoid bias and ensure credible findings, it is important that auditors and safety inspectors are independent and objective. They should not have direct responsibilities for the areas they are evaluating. Independence helps prevent conflicts of interest and ensures that the audit or inspection results are impartial and trustworthy. Objectivity is crucial for making unbiased assessments and recommendations, thereby enhancing the credibility and effectiveness of the safety evaluation process. Point number 5: conduct regular training. A very important point. Do you know? Regular training is essential for keeping inspectors and auditors updated on the latest safety regulations, industry standards, and best practices. Ongoing training improves their ability to identify and assess potential hazards effectively. It ensures that they are aware of new risks, technologies, and methods for hazard control. Training programs should be comprehensive and include both theoretical knowledge and practical skills, enabling safety inspectors and auditors to perform their duties competently, efficiently, and confidently. You are on the platform of Safety First Life. Today we are discussing how we can evaluate, how we can measure the effectiveness of site safety audits and safety inspections. Point number 6: involve employees. Key point: engaging employees in the inspection and audit process is crucial for gaining valuable insights and promoting a safety culture. Employees have first-hand knowledge and experience that can help identify potential hazards and practical safety solutions. Their involvement can also uncover issues that might not be evident to external auditors. Additionally, involving employees foster a sense of ownership and responsibility for safety, encouraging proactive hazard reporting and participation in corrective actions. If the main asset, the main part of the organization employees, they are not involved in that organization or in that project, you will never see a productive outcome, because employees are the backbone of any project or the organization. Their involvement is mandatory by law and by complying with moral and ethical standards. Without employees, without the involvement and participation of employees, there is no way to develop a positive safety culture or to implement high standards of safety protocols or procedures. For now, that's all. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and share the video. Hope to see you soon with a new HSE tutorial. Until then, take care. Good luck and goodbye.